In this video, I will show you how to fix an error occurred while starting Roblox. So to resolve this problem, first method is restart your computer. Hopefully, once you restart, this error will be fixed and you will be able to open properly. Still you are facing problems, so try second method. Click on restart, settings. Here click on network and internet. Here guys, you have to click on advanced network settings. Then here click on network reset and reset network, and after restart again. And if these both method not work, so try third method. Start settings, apps, then install apps, find out here Roblox, then click on this three dot advanced options. Now here click on repair, then click on reset, and still you are facing problems, so uninstall and reinstall again Roblox. This came to your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can fix and resolve. Thanks for watching, and please comment this method work for you or not.